The Swiss transport system is great. Even if you're traveling by car, you can still use the train to get through the mountains and shorten your route around the Alps. The Furka car shuttle train, also called Autoverlad Furka, takes you and your car safely through the mountains from Oberwald in Canton Valais to Realp in the Canton Uri. This autumn, my boys and I took this ride, and in today's video I'll show you how the journey looked like. The whole process is simple, even if you're doing it for the first time. Everything is clearly marked, so you just follow the signs as you drive in. You can buy your ticket at the barrier using the machines or simply scan QR code if you purchase your ticket online. Then you wait for a moment or two for a train to arrive. Once it's your turn, you drive onto the wagon. Park your car, pull the handbrake, switch off your lights, and that's it. Now you enjoy the ride through the Furka base tunnel. The ride through this 15.4 kilometer tunnel takes about 20 minutes. It is mostly dark and a bit noisy, but you stay comfortable in your own car. While the trip isn't as scenic as driving over the Furka Pass, it saves you time and eliminates the need to navigate winding mountain roads. In winter, when the Furka Pass road is closed, the Furka car shuttle train is not only the fastest option, it is also only direct connection between Uri and Valais. As a result, demand is high, and on the busy days, especially around the holidays and school vacation weekends, long waiting times for the train are common. Getting off works the same way as boarding. Drive slowly down the ramp and continue your trip.